students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will do our reading. We will do reading of block 4. So this is your content book. Take out volume number 1. Yes, open page number 22. Okay students? Okay. Students, today we will start our reading from line number 17. But before starting our reading, let's revise our last class. Students, in the last class, we studied about what is a job and what is a workplace. So students, when we do some work and we earn money for that, इट इज़ अ जॉब. जब भी हम कोई वर्क करते हैं एंड उसके लिए हमें मनी मिलती है, दैट इज़ अ जॉब. ओके, लाइक टीचर टीचेस द स्टूडेंट, सो जॉब ऑफ टीचर इज टीचिंग. ओके, एंड वर्क प्लेस इज अ प्लेस वेयर पर्सन डू द जॉब. ओके, वर्क प्लेस वो जगह है जहाँ पे कोई भी पर्सन अपनी जॉब करता है. ओके, लाइक टीचर टीचेस द स्टूडेंट इन स्कूल, सो स्कूल इज अ वर्क प्लेस फॉर टीचर. डॉक्टर एंड नर्सेस टेक्स केयर ऑफ person or their patient in hospital, so hospital is a workplace for teacher and nurses. Okay students, so all the job require workplace, but nowadays jobs are doing at our home, so their workplace is home and that is known as work from home. Okay, so all jobs require a workplace. Come to line number 17. WEVDEPENT, depend on JOBS, jobs. We depend on jobs. DONE, done. By OTHER, other. PEOPLE, people. We depend on jobs done by other people. It means there is a link between jobs. Jobs are related to each other. Okay, सारी jobs एक दूसरे से related हैं. Okay, come to line number 18. We depend on jobs done by other people for our daily means रोज की ज़रूरत, daily needs, रोज की ज़रूरत. Okay, like we depend on lot of jobs to meet our daily needs, like maid is a person who makes our food at our home and takes care of our home. Gardener, yes, takes care of garden. Milkman get milk for us. Guard, who protect our house and us from unknown person. Vegetable seller sells vegetables and fruit to us. Okay, grocery seller is a person who is selling daily needs material like शुगर, टी, सोप. ओके, ग्रॉसरी सेलर कौन होता है बच्चों? जो डेली का सामान हमें रिक्वायर्ड है वो सेल करता है, लाइक टी, शुगर एंड सोप, डिटर्जेंट. ओके, टेलर्स एंड डॉक्टर्स फॉर आवर डेली नीड्स. ओके, बट there are other people like farmer, cobbler, carpenter on whom we depend for our needs, but not to see them every day. लेकिन हमें ये इन्हें डेली नहीं विजिट करना पड़ता. ओके बेटा, रीड विद मी. द गार्ड प्रोटेक्ट्स मीन्स सेव us and our house, so guards required in daily need. The carpenter makes our furniture. Okay, we require the furniture making, not daily. It means we don't require carpenter daily. Okay, we do not purchase the furniture daily, so we do not require the carpenter daily, but we depend on them for furniture. The farmer grows the vegetables, fruits and grains that we eat. We require vegetable and fruits and grains daily, but students, we are purchasing from vegetable seller. We do not directly see the farmer or deals with farmer. Okay beta, so we require not daily the farmer. हमें farmer की require भी daily नहीं होती है. Okay, so from this paragraph we understood that jobs are interlinked with each other. Like students, we purchase vegetable and fruits from vegetable seller, and we give them money. The money which we provide them, they use for other work, like they get treatment from doctor, and they get grocery material from grocery seller. Okay, so all the shops and all the jobs are related with each other. Okay beta. Yes, student, if I say that we do not depend on drivers of ट्रक, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि हमें ट्रक के ड्राइवर पे हम डिपेंड नहीं करते, इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? इट इज़ रॉन्ग, बिकॉज ट्रक ड्राइवर्स हेल्प्स वेजिटेबल सेलर्स. दे गेट vegetables and fruits from farmers to vegetable seller. Okay, so we require driver जो होते हैं वो vegetable seller से vegetable लाना, milk and other things from one place to another. So we say we depend on all the jobs, okay, for daily activity and for some activity which will be required in month and in year. Okay students, read this paragraph at your home. We will meet in the next class. Bye students.